Nyamira muyigoyo nigo nyara gokoene kigwa gose gokorekana ase ward Nyansiongo na nigo nyara kwariganirwa ne kiombe kamani Getembe na Community Initiative for Change and Development CIFCAD na boigo bakubwatana na mone factory ya Nyansiongo na boigo wizara yabasae korwa ase county eyo ya Nyamira.
We are trying to see the best way possible that youth can also be included. Youth as partners in that process. It's a project that seeks to bring about leadership or to foster leadership that is inclusive, transformative, and accountable, enabling women, youth, persons living with disabilities, and politically marginalized groups to exercise leadership and to participate in leadership and decision making. We want to see more assertive youth, more confident youth, more youth who are able to take up leadership positions and participate in decision making. It's about taking advantage of the trainings that are available. Here at our TR Voice, we have a curriculum with various topics that we train. The county government has got various activities where they train youth. Currently, there is the training for artificial intelligence education that is going on, and applications are going on. So those are the opportunities that we want to present to us today.
Our TR Voice give me that confidence and made me believe I can make my own decisions.
Mimi sikuwa napenda kuongea na watu. Lakini kwa saa hii kwa kijiji huko mimi naongea na watu, vijana na mobilize vijana, napewa nafasi hata naongoza vijana.
Let us get the skills that are required. All of us cannot go to university to study a degree, but we can begin from the skills that are available. I need my hair to be done. Not a graduate who will do my hair, but someone who has done the skills from a friend. Can you go online and apply instead of you chatting, doing emojis and all that the whole day, going to a bit, I don't know what. Use that kidogo too. Can you make something positive to yourself?